Listing 3729 is a modern, high-end collision center business and property for sale in Cook County, Illinois. With an outstanding brand, website, and social media presence backed by stellar customer reviews, this shop is perfectly positioned for continued growth and success. Annual sales are over $2 million, the equipment is worth $500,000, and the office personnel and technicians are extremely experienced. This shop offers lots of perks to a future buyer with many OEM manufacturing certifications, I-CAR certification, and aluminum welding repair certification and equipment. Please note, this outstanding business opportunity is available for qualified individuals or groups with proof of funds and ability to purchase. Net worth and proof of funds must be presented prior to broker disclosing the location of this collision center business for sale. The shop owner will consider leasing for the right individual. For more information, please call us 312-448-8080 or email at sales@AutoBizBrokers.com.